This is the story of flaming coffins. Desperate to make up its battlefield losses and unable to mass-produce more modern designs, Russia is shipping 80-year-old T-34 main battle tanks to Ukraine. Designed before World War II, these antiques will quickly become food for leopards. And this is another footage how Russia is moving ancient T-54 tanks to Ukraine. What if Russia failed that hard at Vuhledar just to put the bar as low as possible? Avdiivka is desperate to catch up. Russian propagandists say that there was nothing about military and technical cooperation with China in the agreement signed during the visit. Oh, and they seem to have called Russia an aggressive beggar in relation to China.
Си Цзиньпинь при этом не хочет пока рвать отношения ни с США, ни даже с Европой. Вы не увидите в официальных заявлениях товарища Си каких-то конкретных слов о военной технике, между Российской Федерацией и Китаем. Соответствующие соглашения были достигнуты. Вот какие-то стороны будут в последний момент брать. Почему он не закрыли? У него уже есть один агрессивный попрошайка. Ему второй агрессивный попрошайка.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.